potato for lunch. Okay. So guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Milo, and I'll be showing you how I use potato to make two dishes for lunch. I'll start by washing my rice. Don't throw away your rice water, okay? I'll show you how to use it on another video. So I'm just gonna cook my rice. Then I'll go ahead and let's get into the video. So I have pork. I'm using pork that has fat, okay? Potato, and chili pepper, green one and red one with garlic and ginger, okay? So I just went ahead and peeled my potato. I cut the potato because I don't want this video to be too long, okay? Too long and boring. So I'll just go ahead and I don't know what's this thing called, star. I'll leave the name on the description below, so you check it. So I've chopped the potatoes and everything, and right now we're just gonna start the cooking. All right. So I'll just add the pork into frying pan. You don't need to add oil, okay? Because you're gonna get oil from the pork, from the fat. So you keep stirring, okay, so it doesn't get burnt under, okay, because of the meat. You know, the meat might stick under the pot before the oil comes out. So there we go, the oil is out. I'll just go ahead and add ginger and garlic. I added pepper too. Dark soy sauce for color. Oyster sauce. See guys, I'm not good at measuring, okay? It's not as if I'm a professional cook, okay? I'm also learning, okay? So I think this should be like 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and same thing with the dark soy sauce. I also added light soy sauce too, and then salt, and now adding water, okay? And then you just stir this and cover it to cook for some minutes. Like when it's cooked, you will know because you'll be there to check it, okay? So you don't have to put everything. If you feel it's too much, you can reduce it. Like I'm not putting everything. So here we go. It's cooked. It's ready almost. Okay, let's give it that's it, it's ready. We'll go ahead to prepare the second one. That you will need little amount of oil, and then I added garlic, and then now a little salt. You don't need this to be too fried or too cooked, okay? Just little water is okay. And here we are. Lunch is served. Guys, I'm learning how to use chopstick, okay? And if you want to learn that too, I can show you on another video, okay? So here is it. My lunch is ready. You should give this a try, okay? You will like it. Like, it's delicious. I'm not joking about this. So I'm very delicious. You need to give this a try. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget